In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run polls on Microsoft Teams. This is a great feature to engage with your community, be it for gathering feedback, making decisions, or just having fun with quick surveys. First, you'll want to navigate to the Microsoft Teams website through your preferred internet browser. Once you're there, focus your attention on the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on it. Next, you will need to sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. Be sure to have your email and password ready. This step allows you to access your Teams environment where you can manage and interact with your communities. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation pane and click on Communities. This feature is essentially a dedicated space for group interactions within Teams, facilitating seamless communication among members. After selecting Communities, you'll see a list of all the communities you're a part of. Click on the community where you would like to launch a poll. Your choice here decides where your poll will be visible, so make sure to select the appropriate community for your audience. Once inside the community, look for a button labeled Post and click it. This is where you start creating content for your group, including polls. You'll now spot a plus icon, typically used to add new content or features. Click on this icon, and among the options, you'll see Polls. Choose this option to begin creating your poll. This feature allows for quick interaction, and feedback can be very helpful in understanding the sentiments or preferences of your community members on various topics. With the poll interface open, you're ready to type in your question. Make sure your question is clear and concise. It could be about upcoming meeting schedules, preferred project approaches, or even something more casual to lighten the mood. Following your question, add the options for responses. Consider the possible replies you might receive and ensure you cover all likely scenarios. More detailed options can lead to better feedback, but remember to keep it straightforward to avoid confusion. Once your question and options are set, it's time to preview your poll. Click on Preview to see how it will look to your community members. This is your chance to catch any mistakes or make last-minute adjustments. After verifying that everything looks good, go ahead and click Send to post your poll to the community. Your community will now be able to see and respond to your poll, which will be an effective way to gather insights or make group decisions. And there you have it. Running polls on Microsoft Teams can be a powerful tool for group engagement and decision-making. Enjoy the interaction and insights you gain from this handy feature.